none of the birds have came for this piece of bread. No bird yet. See it? Right there. No. None of them. So you are gonna watch them. Oh, I'm video recording the bread, the birds and
the bread and the birds?
Yeah.
What bread?
Over there, where the blackbirds are coming from.
Oh, I chucked a roll on it. There's rolls.
Children there.
Solid. The birds been at it?
Yeah.
Where's the bread, babe? Oh, you can see it on there, can
You
you?
can see over there, look. You can see over there.
Look, see the bread, I thought you had it on there. I just smell it, you know what I do. It's good, yeah. What's the matter with him, man?
You fucked it.
What's
I got
wrong?
on cold as well.
Oh, did you sound on there as well, then?
Yeah.
I was like,
It'll
man.
pick up the sound and all that.
I just see a bird, didn't it?
They know it would be you. Oh, I was hoping for that on YouTube as well.
Well, it doesn't matter, pretend it's a bird.
Oh, that's gross.
Or a cat.
Cat's not yet. That's how man. Gross, man.
Oh.
I just did. I'm going to record the birds. Pretty much the birds, just believe that. And over here now, we've got the fox bear. It's on YouTube as well, please.
Is Freddy ready? You look comfortable, look at it.
Have they came yet, guys? No. Well, sorry with a fart. That's with my grancha, like. Because he is like the grossest person ever. He's like, bleh. No birds came yet. No birds, Steve. Say sorry.
Sorry.
For what?
For doing
Doing what?
for blowing off.
Right. Thank you.